Cavs, Warriors, tonight, game one, who you got? What's up, guys? Calling all Shake Shack lovers to the Factory, where today I will be unboxing the Allbirds Shake Shack Chalk collaboration. So about a week ago now, sorry for the delayed video, I meant to do this earlier, life's been moving, but I'm getting to it now. I went to the Shake Shack in Washington Square Park, Madison Square Park. I went to the park that hosts the location of the first ever Shake Shack. And there, starting at 10 a.m., they were doing their release collaboration of Allbirds Shake Shack, which until now I've never owned an Allbirds shoe. I found out that they are extremely comfortable. They're amazing, they're made from trees, sustainable, all of that good stuff, but they don't come in half sizes, which we're gonna let that one slide for now because this shoe is super cool and I can't wait to show you guys. So I got there around 9 a.m. and they were starting to sell them at 10 a.m. So basically waited in line for an hour and then it took about another hour for me to get to the front of the line. The line was huge, wrapped around the entire park. Whatever park we were at, we were wrapped around the entire thing. And they were basically selling shoes from 10 a.m. until they sold out. I was excited to get a pair in my size. I got a men's 11. They only lasted till 3 p.m. which I was actually surprised that they lasted till 3. They had way more shoes than I was expecting. I don't know the total number of shoes that they had. And as we jump into these, let's take a look at this box. The first thing, and really the only thing to notice here, and it is pretty cool, at least I haven't seen this before. Probably other people have done this though, I realize that. But the handle is a green shoelace, which was nice. Very convenient way to carry a shoebox. That's actually making me realize no one's really made convenient shoebox carrying stuff. We always just put our shoeboxes in bags. So this was cool, very nice to carry around the city. Maybe if it had like a cooler compartment to close, I could use it like a briefcase. No. Okay, let's get this thing open. So right here, we have a lot of cool graphics going on. We are Allbirds, better shoes in a better way here. Again, this is actually the Tree Runner edition. So they have multiple different editions of Allbirds shoes. I think there's like 4 for men. I'll have to double check on that. But these shoes are made from trees. I think it's eucalyptus trees. I should stop saying I think there's something. If I don't know, I should just probably not say it. But it says it's made of sustainably harvested trees. They're light on your feet and easy on the planet, which is pretty cool. So it did come out with extra shoelaces. The lace colors that it comes with here are Vanilla Bean, Honeycomb Toffee, and Shake Shack. So there's 3 different lace colors in this box. And not only that, there is a 4th lace color, obviously, right on the shoe. So before we get to these laces, let's take a peek at the shoe. So we got a little divider in here that kind of talks about a little bit about the mission and different things about Allbirds, different things that they do. They donate lightly used shoes to Souls for Souls. That's cool. So first thing you notice here is this shoe is all white. Again, it has these bright lime green laces on it, which match the tongue and the accent point here on the heel that I'll show you in just a second. But the coolest part about this shoe is obviously the Shake Shack logo right here on the front. So I'm a big Shake Shack fan. I love the Smoke Shack, or is it the Smoke Stack? Whatever the spicy hamburger is that has the jalapenos on it, that is really good. On the back, matching it, we have the green Allbirds logo, which I think is bird. Again, you guys, this is my first experience with Allbirds shoes. So kind of just diving in here a little bit more. They do come with a fancy little shoehorn. And it says Allbirds right there. Can you see that? Boom. It says Allbirds right there in the sole, which pretty cool. So other than some of the more obvious things, this shoe is very soft, very light, and the fabric is like a fly knit material. So these guys brand themselves as the most comfortable shoe in the game, which they honestly probably are. So here on the back we have written in all white, Allbirds. It's white on white, which I think looks really cool. And then the sole is very smooth, very basic. This is definitely not a recreational shoe. It is a walking around casual shoe. If anyone runs in Allbirds, I would be curious to know about it. I don't think it's a running shoe at all. I mean, it just doesn't look like the sole of the shoe is meant to do much. I also felt like the footbed didn't have a ton of shape to it, just enough to make it comfortable. So these are supposed to be so soft you can wear them without socks. The other thing that's really cool about Allbirds shoes is you can just throw them in the washing machine and they're totally machine washable. Right on the inside it says, wash on delicate, air dry. So they've kind of designed these shoes just to be a very comfortable walking shoe. And if you're a Shake Shack fan, I mean, it really doesn't get better than this. Comfort, good looks, hamburgers. So now that we've kind of checked out the shoes, oh yeah, so on this one, it's saying a little bit more here. It says, so soft you can wear sockless. Keep these so your shoes stay nice and neat when not on your feet. Cool, so they actually want you to keep those, which is good. Keeps the shape of the shoe, obviously. All right, now opening these laces, just to give you guys the lace colors, show you what it came with. If I can get it open. So it did come with 3 other lace colors. I haven't put any of the lace colors on the shoe to try out something new, mainly because I thought they looked so pretty in the box and I wanted to show you guys how pretty they looked in the box. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the Allbirds Shake Shack Chalk collaboration. I've already put these on my feet, worn them around a little. They are extremely light, extremely comfortable. They look very, very good. My only complaint is I really am a true 10.5. Like, I am not a 10 and I am not an 11. I don't know, I was blessed with a foot that is between a 10 and an 11. And I actually got to try these on when I was there. I tried on the 10 and my foot just like, sorry, the camera just died. But the 10, my foot just completely filled it. It felt a little bit tight, a little restraining. So then I tried an 11. 11 felt a little big. But I'm sick of buying shoes that are too tight when you wear them, especially when you're going for comfort, like I would be going with these bad boys. So anyway, guys, that is my unboxing of the Allbirds Shake Shack collaboration. Huge fan. I love that another shoe has really like broken the mold of Adidas and Nike and the bigger brands. Like a cool new hip shoe somehow weaseled their way into the shoe industry, which is just amazing. Huge fan of that. So you guys, I'm still undecided if I'm gonna be keeping these or if I'm gonna be reselling them. Again, I bought them for $100 and reselling on eBay for about $300 right now. So let me know in the comments down below if you are 1, a Shake Shack fan, and 2, if you would keep these or if you would, you know, get past them along to cop something better a little bit later on. All right, guys, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, make your comments, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.